My name is Jae Taylor, and I'm in the Emergency Medical Science program. I moved to Charlotte from Boston, Massachusetts, and I found Central Piedmont while I was looking for a program in this area. I found that this program reported great outcomes for its students that would graduate from the Emergency Medical Science program, and I found that Medic in Mecklenburg County was a great company to work for. I chose to come to Central Piedmont so that I can learn from professionals in this locality and grow in my emergency medical career here. I would describe my experience at Central Piedmont Community College as a welcoming one. I've noticed a lot of diverse students in the population, and I've also found that I'm in a program where there are very experienced professors and instructors that I feel confident will help me grow the most in my career path. I hope to one day work in community paramedicine, where I can help support people in communities that struggle to access the quality healthcare they need. I hope to have a lifelong career in helping people with chronic or acute traumas, medical and mental health issues. I think it's very important for the community to feel supported and have first responders to address their needs. And I hope to have a career where I can impact the community in that way. Central Piedmont is a great place to learn in the emergency medical science field because it is a very diverse program, and diversity is important in the first responder field, as people of all walks of life and in all communities need to see people that look like them and understand them as they face issues that we need to respond to every day.